This is a 2009 Audi A4 B8 Avant, and like many people, I thought that something was wrong with my hatch struts because when the tailgate went up, it stopped about right there, and that was too low for me. So I replaced the struts, but the door went to the exact same position. If you have the powerlifting feature, before you go buy struts and do that work, make sure you don't have this feature. So all you need to do is by hand raise the hatch and put some gentle but steady pressure on it and move the hatch until it's in the maximum or your ideal position. So for me, that's completely like this. Hit the button for 5 seconds and you'll see the lights flash, and it's actually memory. And now it'll be saved in the position that you want it, and it has nothing to do with the struts at all.